Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're joining Dai and Shun on a fun-filled shopping adventure in Shibuya, Tokyo. This dynamic duo is known for their captivating personalities and impeccable style, and their love for fashion is truly inspiring. Dai and Shun head straight to ALAND, a popular multi-brand fashion store in Shibuya. They're both excited to explore the latest trends and find unique pieces to add to their wardrobes. Their IG story captures the energy of the store, showcasing a wide array of clothing, accessories, and home goods. As they browse the racks, Dai and Shun's shared love for fashion is evident. They playfully tease each other, and may be offering style advice and playfully trying on different outfits. This playful banter highlights the close bond and the genuine enjoyment of spending time together. Dai and Shun have distinct fashion sensibilities, but they complement each other perfectly. Dai leans towards a more classic, sophisticated style, while Shun embraces bolder trends and statement pieces. They showcase their individual styles by trying on different outfits and sharing their thoughts on each other's choices. The IG story is filled with heartwarming moments that demonstrate Dai and Shun's affection for each other. They hold hands, playfully pose for photos, and share sweet smiles as they shop. The genuine connection and playful interactions are a testament to their loving relationship. Dai and Shun spend hours exploring ALAND, trying on clothes, and discussing their favorite finds. They enjoy the process of shopping together, taking their time to find the perfect pieces. They captures the joy of shared experiences and the importance of finding common interests in a relationship. Dai and Shun's relationship is a testament to the power of shared passions and mutual respect. They inspire viewers with the positive energy, genuine affection, and unwavering support for each other. Their love for fashion is just one aspect of their multifaceted relationship, highlighting the importance of finding joy and connection in the everyday. This IG story is a delightful glimpse into the world of Dai and Shun. Their shopping adventure is a testament to their love for fashion, their playful personalities, and their inspiring relationship. It's a reminder that shared passions and genuine connection can make even the simplest activities feel extraordinary. What did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reaction videos.